Hala pre, basa na.
Unwalkable na talaga. Unwalkable.
DLS to Araneta?
Alright, after a long time, another long distance walk. You ready?
No, I'm not, but they better enjoy this.
Tingnan natin kung walkable.
10-kilometer walk, grabe 2 hours.
Maambon na ata. Mag-umbrella na ako. Umulan na ka.
Kirino! Honestly, I'm kinda liking this weather. Very peaceful yung roads today. Very clean. Tapos wala masyadong sun. Okay guys, never mind. Madumi na ulit yung daanan.
Malapit na tayo sa sobrang pangit na daan.
Let's brace ourselves.
Punta na tayo sa Petro Hill Street. Dito hikers na kami guys. Kailangan natin pumunta doon na walang crosswalk. Like wala nang ibang daan, ito lang sinabi ng Google Maps.
This is no joke, tignan mo. Lumalakas na naman yung ulan. You'll go in a sec, babaha na yun. We've been waiting for 10 minutes. Okay guys, ito na nga, no choice, let's go.
This is what it's like to walk in Metro Manila.
Ari, ano to? Magpa-parkour? Nah, bro.
Let's go!
Salamat.
Are you Chinese?
We're Chinese.
Ha?
Pero Filipino rin kami.
Okay, marunong kayo
Marunong kami mag-Tagalog. If you're watching this, please don't try this at home, guys.
Gusto ko tinanggal ko na isa.
Lalo, pre, basa na.
Unwalkable na talaga. Unwalkable.
Honestly, I'm kinda liking this weather. So currently, nasa kotse na kami kasi di na namin kaya. Yeah, nag-grab na kami. Midway kasi like, grabe guys, we seen it like sobrang pang-pang. Tapos basang-basa na rin. Medyo malala. Guys, this is the second time na nag-give up kami mid-walk kasi like, hindi na namin kaya. The first time is yung Banawe, yung extreme heat.
Okay.
Hindi na lang magiging Morena Walker sa kami.
Bad mood na nga si Adrian. Ayaw na niya.
Hindi na siya nagsasalita.
Yeah, pero of course, the grind never ends. Papunta pa rin kami sa Araneta right now. So,
Meron daw kasi concert din si Tyler, the Creator. September 20 to 21.
di ba sabi na nga, it's gonna be his first time in Manila.
We're here.
Alright guys, we're here! Yun na guys, naglakad kami dito. Oh my gosh guys, yan na yun. We're gonna see this guy in person.
If you guys wanna see his first time in Manila, September 20 and 21.
Magkamukha kayo.
Poster counter 2. Can I get a kiss? Or can you make it last forever? I'm so excited to hear him, bro.
Are you excited to see Tyler?
Yeah. Ayaw ko na maglakad so like, excited ako magpahinga, mag-concert.
DLS to Araneta kahit hindi tapos yung lakad. Doon.
You guys already know the drill. Comment down below where to next from DLSU to where.
See you on September 20 and 21 at Tyler the Creator's concert.